Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of installing and setting up a VPN app called JN TunnelVPN. This app can help you establish a more secure connection while browsing online, and it is available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions. This way, you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type JN TunnelVPN. Make sure you identify the correct app by checking its name and icon. Then tap to install it. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the app. On the home screen, you'll need to make a few simple adjustments so the app can run smoothly. First, tap the Update button. This refreshes the app's resources and ensures you get the best performance. Next, select a server. You can pick one manually, but for the best experience, I recommend leaving it on auto select, so the app chooses the most suitable server for your location. Then, choose your network type. For this tutorial, we'll select UDP All World, since it supports multiple regions. If UDP doesn't work in your country, you can choose your specific country's network option from the list. Step 3. After configuring these settings, tap the Start button to connect. After a few moments, the VPN should connect successfully, giving you a secure and stable browsing connection. And that's it. You've just learned how to install and set up JN TunnelVPN on your Android device. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. And I'll see you in the next one.